Hi guys, I'm not quite sure where I'm going to fit this video in. This is the proper RC conversion of that Ferrari F40, there it is, friction powered or flywheel powered car. The intention is to make it radio controlled, as I said earlier on. And I'm looking for suitable donor bits. Now, this steering from one of my, I think it was a New Bright truck, happens to be exactly the right dimensions there to give us steering. What I'm thinking of doing is making this hobby grade radio control, putting a servo here to actually push the steering side to side. I may even chop it right up and just save the pivots here, because we don't need all the rest of this. So that might be what I do at the front end there. The only thing is, those wheels are designed to actually, or those stub axles are designed for the wheel to slide over it, and then you screw them in with that screw that's got a washer attached to it. And these are the wheels that came with the Ferrari, so I have to decide what I want to do. Drill the centres out so they slide over there properly, and then fit that over the end. That would look the best, I think, because then it would be the right sized wheels. So that's what I might do. I'll have to be very careful drilling that out though. There should be enough plastic there to do it. So that's what I'm thinking about the front end. The back end, this is what was wrong with the flywheel motor. That yellow gear there, you might be able to see the black lines on it where it's split, so that doesn't grip at all. But this gear here, which I'm pretty sure came out of a similar steering yoke actually, and that motor there is actually the motor that fits in there, and it's got a nice pinion gear on it that happens to mesh with that rather nicely. That hole is a little bit small for that axle, but I think there's enough plastic, that we can drill that out, push that on there, so it goes onto that knurled bit there, and I think that'll go on there quite nicely. And then the motor, with a bit of luck, we can just mount it straight on the back there, and it'll all fit together. I mean, I know there's lots of people out there who'd like to stick a stupid big motor on there so that we do 90 miles an hour or something, but I'm just interested in converting it to radio control. So that's what I'm looking at the moment. Nice little motor. What's that, about 5 volt, 7 volt, something like that. Sit on there and drive it along. That's actually the back axle. That's actually the front axle that I've just put the gear on there for demonstration purposes. Those are a couple of little bits of aluminium tubing. Will just fit in there quite nicely. So that's the right position, but that's the right axle. So that's sort of an intermediate progress report. I'm not quite sure I'm going to edit this together, so I just thought I'd video this now, and then when I do actually do a bit more work on it, it may look a bit better. This really is not what's going to happen to this long term. I stuck a gear on the back axle and I've just hot glued this motor in place temporarily, and I'm using that receiver that doesn't work very well. So, yeah, there we go. Radio controlled Ferrari. Obviously I haven't got the body shell on there. Body shell's on here at the moment, which does work. But we're just playing around, toying around at the moment. I'll probably make this hobby grade radio control when I eventually get to it. I don't think just hot gluing the motor there is a permanent fix. But that'll do for now.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.